The Adventure of Cherry Bullet. Today's episode, Cherry Bullet meets that vegan teacher. Disclaimer: this video is purely for comedic purposes. I do not wish harm upon anybody. Okay, it's lunchtime. Let's see what's inside the fridge. Time to see what's inside the fridge.
No! No! No!
Oh no! Looks like there's no food in the fridge. What am I going to do? I have a better idea. Let's go to the McDonald's. Guys, can you see? There's no food in the fridge. So I think it's a better idea to go to McD's. Yuju, what do we need? We are going to McDonald's to eat food there. Oh yes! I love McDonald's. Let's go! Meanwhile in McDonald's. Welcome to McDonald's. How may I help you? We would like 2 burgers, 2 fries, and 2 sodas, please. Okay, these 2 meals cost 389 Z coins. Thank you. You're welcome. The burger sure is delicious. Isn't it, Bora? Yes, Yuju. It is delicious. Hey, why are you both eating meat, you terrorists? Because it's delicious. You know, you will go to hell if you don't go vegan. And why? The Bible says that it's tasty. I don't care what the Bible says. I am a descendant of God. You're eating meat? You're committing a genocide, you pair of Nazis. But ma'am, don't you know that Hitler did eat meat? I don't care. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. Alright, I'm getting a manager. Hey, why are you going, pig? Ma'am, can you stop being so sensitive? You're harassing us. Oh, shut up. This is the worst restaurant in the world. I am the manager. What seems to be the problem? This lady is harassing us and forcing us to go vegan. Okay, lady, let's go home. You disgusting pig. No, I won't go back home until all of you go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan. You will go to hell if you don't go vegan.
3, 2, 1, jump!
Kaboom! Aha! That's what mean people deserve. By the way, have fun for the rest of the day. Wow! You killed this awful lady.